Hello, and welcome to our video on 10 advanced IELTS words that can help you take your English language skills to the next level. In this video, we'll introduce you to some advanced vocabulary that can help you improve your speaking and writing abilities. But before we get started, it's important to note that simply knowing advanced words isn't enough. In order to effectively communicate in English, you must also understand when and how to use these words properly. Using an advanced word in the wrong context or using it incorrectly can actually hinder your communication skills and cause confusion. So while expanding your vocabulary is a great way to improve your language abilities, it's equally important to understand the nuances of each word and how to use them appropriately. Now let's get started with our list of 10 advanced IELTS words that can help you take your language skills to the next level. Cognizant means being aware or having knowledge about something. It suggests that the person is conscious or informed about a situation or event. For example, the company was cognizant of the potential risks of the new business venture. Ubiquitous means present or existing everywhere. It implies that something is widespread or pervasive. For example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society. Copious means abundant or plentiful. It suggests that something exists in large quantities or numbers. For example, the student took copious notes during the lecture. Peruse means to read something carefully or thoroughly. It implies a detailed examination or review of something, often with the goal of understanding or analyzing it. For example, the lawyer perused the contract to ensure it was legally sound. Eloquent means being able to express oneself fluently and persuasively in speech or writing. It suggests that the person is skilled in communication and can convey their ideas effectively. For example, the politician's eloquent speech won over many voters. Ambivalent means having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. It implies a state of uncertainty or indecision, where a person may feel both positive and negative emotions about something. For example, she felt ambivalent about accepting the job offer because it was in a new city but also offered a great opportunity. Myriad means a large number of things or people. It implies an abundance or variety of things, often to the point of being difficult to count or comprehend. For example, the city offers a myriad of cultural events and activities throughout the year. Enigma refers to a person or thing that is mysterious, puzzling, or difficult to understand. It implies that there is something mysterious or unknown about the thing or person in question. For example, the new employee was an enigma, and no one seemed to know much about her. Pragmatic refers to dealing with things sensibly and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. It implies a practical, results-oriented approach to problem solving. For example, rather than waiting for inspiration to strike, the writer took a pragmatic approach and set a daily writing goal to make progress on their novel. Conundrum refers to a confusing and difficult problem or question, often one that seems to have no clear solution. It implies that the situation is perplexing or even puzzling, and that finding a solution may be a challenge. For example, the team faced a conundrum when the project deadline was moved up, and they had to find a way to deliver quality work on a shorter timeline. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content like this. We're always looking for ways to improve our videos, so if you have any feedback or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.